Do you ever feel bloated after eating greasy food? Chitosan acts like a sponge, grabbing fat in your stomach and helping your body get rid of it. A study from Tokyo Pharmaceutical University in Japan showed that mice who ate Chitosan absorbed 35% less fat. It's also a must-have for people who suffer from gastritis or acid reflux. When we have gastritis, our stomachs hurt. Chitosan coats the stomach lining like a thin film, reducing inflammation. One study showed that it can reduce inflammatory substances by almost half. This isn't medicine, it's a protective shield from nature. Countless microorganisms live in our intestines. Having lots of good bacteria is important for both immunity and digestion. Chitosan feeds the good bacteria in your gut, creating a healthy gut environment. Specifically, it increases bifidobacteria by 25% and decreases bad bacteria by 40%, which is great news for people with gut problems. Many people struggle with slow digestion. Chitosan absorbs water and expands, stimulating the intestines. Simply put, it helps you form bowel movements. People who couldn't go even once a day reported nearly doubling their bowel movements after taking Chitosan. It's a natural dietary fiber without the side effects of medicine. Irritable bowel syndrome is really tough. Stomach aches every day and constantly running to the bathroom. But Chitosan tackles this problem from 3 directions at once. It reduces inflammation, protects the gut lining, and increases good bacteria. In fact, studies show it reduces pain and diarrhea by over 30%. It's a natural way to care for your colon.